What a week it has been. Milk replacer in my face. Solid. I just got done feeding Milk. Very thankful that we have babies indoors and not outside in hutches after this week. Tuesday we had our first little snowstorm, Monday night into Tuesday. Kids had off school. It wasn't like awful, but we had quite a bit of snow, a little bit of blowing. And then yesterday we had not as much snow as they predicted. Like they were saying up to 16 inches. We didn't get that much. We maybe had 10 inches on Tuesday, and then I don't even know what we got yesterday because it was blowing so bad. And so it was pretty nasty yesterday afternoon. Everything was drifted shut. Like, I don't even know if our road's open yet. It's almost 9 a.m. We haven't seen a grader go by, but our road drifts really bad. And the wind was moving just right. So Joey is out trying to plow paths so that we can finish feeding the rest of the cows. Everything like in the barn is done. We just gotta get grain fed. And I think I'm gonna see if I can get Lisa to let the calves nurse in the barn like we did last week, whatever that was. Wait, that was just Tuesday. Oh, excuse me. So, yeah, that's what we got going on today. We have a lot of bedding to do. The sun is out, which is pretty nice. Not gonna complain, but it's gonna get terribly cold in the next few days and all next week, like single digits, negative. So we're just kind of trying to prepare for that this weekend and go from there. The piglets are all doing well. So there's 6 now, which still a bummer, but Mama's doing really good. She seems to be eating more. I'm not feeding her quite as much like milk and anything. She's eating her pig feed again, which is nice. So they're all doing good. We just got some pig starter from, they dropped off pig food yesterday, so we got a little bit of starter. Piglets are a little bit young for that, but we might start offering it just to kind of keep them moving. I would say like 4 of them are very plump, and then 2 are just, I don't know, they're healthy, they're running around, they're just not as fat as the other ones. So yeah, that's what we got going on. I hate to even show her right now, she's a mess. Everything's a mess, but these guys are clean. Well, at least she's letting them nurse. She's eating breakfast. I have a feeling we might have to do this next week because, well, these 2 they need to be weaned. I gotta get some new calves in here, but they don't particularly enjoy going out in the elements if they don't have to. Hey, Lisa. Yep, they will follow you. What are you doing, girls? I mean, for the most part, at least it has stayed out of the wind, right? Yeah, you don't care. Had to break out the trusty mittens. It's getting a little too cold for gloves. How'd you do?
I'm done. Just put the other one back in before I even started. You gotta take me for a bite. Frozen.
Weird.
Very.
I'm sure the cows will spread it out eventually once they're full.
Well, I'm in here. We're just gonna get it done.
So close.
Huh?
So close. You think, Jasmine?